Hello, my name is Casey Flynn. I'm the product manager here at NetSimplicity, and I'm going to be walking you through a brief tour of how Meeting Room Manager 8.0 achieves bidirectional scheduling between our Outlook plugin and our web client. First, I'm going to go to my Outlook calendar and select a place where I'd like to schedule an appointment. Then I'm going to go through my normal scheduling process and enter in my meeting title name, and then I will go and select the Meeting Room Manager tab. Once I've selected the Meeting Room Manager tab, I'm going to click on the Launch button to launch my Meeting Room Manager session. Now that I'm within the Meeting Room Manager tab, I'm able to see what meeting rooms are available or busy during my time, so I'm going to select the Laura Benning room since I see that's available. Once I've clicked on a resource, a tab for that resource is created above. That tab will allow me to look at any of the general fields that were mapped from the web client and/or order any services that I require. Now that I've completed adding any general fields that were required or requesting any services, I'm going to go ahead and click Save and close the appointment. Now that I've scheduled a meeting in an Outlook calendar as a user, I'm going to log into our web client as an administrator and change the room. Now that I've found my room on the day grid view and opened the meeting, I'm going to go and select a new meeting room. In this example, we'll be using a typical use case where an administrator may need to move a person into a different room where that person's booked that room through the Outlook client. First, I remove the original room. Then I scroll down and select a new room which I know is available. Once I have selected the new resource, I'm going to click Save and Update to make the changes not only to the web client, but also to the original scheduler's Outlook calendar. Because I was not the original scheduler of this meeting, I will be prompted to enter a reason for the change. Once the administrator has finished reassigning the resource in the web client, the Outlook user will automatically receive notification that their meeting has changed. The original Outlook scheduler receives two notifications of the change of this meeting. The first is an email that goes into their inbox. The second is this pop-up that is available when their Outlook client is open. This pop-up informs them of what meetings have changed and what actions to take. In this case, I will click Accept, and that will accept all of the changes made by the administrator in the web client. Once the Outlook scheduler has accepted the changes made by the administrator in the web client, the process is complete. Now the meeting is completely synchronized between both the user's Outlook calendar and the Meeting Room Manager database.